how to make a new EA account on PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a new EA account on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to make a new EA account on PS5, if you have any of the EA games such as FIFA or so on, when you first open the game you'll be asked to log into EA accounts, so then you can just actually enter your EA account details and log into those accounts respectively. However, if you don't have any of the EA games but still you'd like to create an account, first of all you have to access your browser. So on PS5, to access browser, we go to the Friends tab, we select a friend, and we basically send them a message, and we send them a message such as google.com, so that we can simply access our browser from here. So once we enter google.com over here, what we're going to do is in the search menu over here, you'll be able to go ahead and simply type in EA, and then just go ahead and type in period, which is dot, and then just go ahead and then type in com. So once you enter ea.com, just hit the arrow button and just make sure to click the first link, which is at the search result page. As you do that, you'll be able to see this interface where of course you'll be able to find an option to also create your account. If you look at the top between the question mark icon, you'll be able to find sizzle account icon. Make sure to click on that, and of course you can find the option called create account. You can make sure to just click the create account option, and once you click the create account option, now you'll be able to simply go ahead and then create a new account using your Google, Facebook, Apple, Xbox or PlayStation account, or maybe even an independent account as well. Once you've done this, you should be able to go ahead and basically create your new EA account on PS5. This way you'll be able to create a new EA account on PS5. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.